Good evening, folks. It is 10 past 10 on the 22nd of April 2010. Just going to take a quick look through these charts just before the close of the market and see if there's any possibilities for tomorrow. Looking at this Aussie dollar, obviously bullish on the daily here, and unfortunately we are going to make a 9 count on the weekly here, but this could still have a bit to move before we finally get a sort of a retracement on a weekly basis there. And I mean, it looks like we're powering up to possibly finally get above this 94 level, the way things are looking on the daily, until that is we break this 90.84 level, which is the lower bat support. I'm having some data issues this week, so this is showing up all wrong. This is not TDST support. The TDST support is here, and the bat level is not here either. It should be up here. I don't know what's wrong. I'm going to have to get in touch with MIG. But until we break that 90.84 level, still looking at this one as being overall bullish on the daily. So at the moment we've got this 93.46 level that if removed to the close would be the level I would look to buy from. So I was getting a bit interested as we were coming down here towards the TDST support. Then we had this big candle on the last 4-hour action that we had there, so that cancelled the count. We were on around about a 7 count at that point, so that would have been nice to get a bounce from there. So we may well have a sort of higher low in place now, which would then see us go through and break this high up here. I mean, if we did remove that level to the close and also remove this TDST resistance, then it would be fairly bullish to the market. So hopefully we can get into this buy on this 93.46, which is the TDST resistance as well. But we'll keep a close eye on that and see whether this weekly 9 count can overpower the daily. But we'll see on that one. This euro pound, you can see it's actually getting quite weak all the way to the close. We're just making new lows right now, sort of as I'm doing the commentary right now. So looking quite good on this one. I've set my final target here for the weekly TDST support there at 85.22, which is where I'll come out with this current position that I've got here. I took more profits today on the daily TDST support, and it looks like we're obviously going to remove this to the close now, which is a bear trigger as well, which is not a good thing for any bulls that are left. So that's looking quite good, and but we may well see a bounce from this weekly TDST support. So at that point I'll wait to see if we get any kind of bounce. We could come back up to test the trend line here, and at which point I think I'll try and get in again, maybe with the TDF method or my euro pound breakout system. So we'll just wait and see on this one at the moment, but so far it's been quite good. I'll miss out euro yen, there's nothing. Euro US dollar as well, there's not really anything either, but you know, we are weakening off. But for me anyway, it's not something I'm really looking at trading at the moment. This pound Swiss franc's looking good. You can see we've actually come on a bit recently. But we have broken this bat resistance here, so I'm expecting to see a pullback followed by a move higher eventually back up to that 1.7 level. By the way this is looking, looks like we're going to remove that level to the weekly close probably by tomorrow. So the bulls coming back into play here somehow, and I say somehow is because I still don't understand why the pound's getting supported so much, because of the fact that it seems like we are going to get a hung parliament now, which is supposed to be bad for the pound. But we'll see anyway. We might just be at some good levels to sell by the time we get that hung parliament a few weeks after. Then we'll see what happens. But anyway, at the moment this one's setting up nicely. But I am looking for a pullback. So I mean, in one level that we can see at the moment is the TDST resistance at the 1.6661. So if we haven't made the TDF bar by that point, then this market will become really overstretched, and you definitely need to see some kind of pullback. So that would actually be a good one to keep an eye on tomorrow. Again, I'm going to be on the move during the morning tomorrow, but I may be around in the afternoon, so we'll just have to see. But that one's looking good. We're starting to set up there. Nothing on the pound yen. Pound dollar is still just really messy, and I'm glad I'm not really getting involved here. Not really too much going on. I'm in this position up here, which we're just going to leave and see where we go. Still think we have a chance after the whole election gets sorted out of heading a lot lower from here, down towards 1.1 anyway, if we get through that 1.3 barrier. Nothing on US CAD, US Chief, nothing either. And this US dollar yen is moving higher again today, as we can see. So that's looking good on that front. And the next target I'm going to use for this is the 95.28 level. So yeah, so not just a hell of a lot. Maybe this pound Swiss franc could start to look a bit overbought, but we'll just have to keep an eye on things. Okay, cheers.